You don't always notice when your life starts shrinking. It happens slowly, silently, in the ordinary moments you never think twice about. You wake up, pick up your phone, scroll through other people's lives, rush through the day, come back home tired, distract yourself until you fall asleep, and then repeat the same routine over and over again. You think of it as normal. You think that's just how adulthood works. But one day, something small, something unexpected, touches your mind in a way nothing has before. For you, it wasn't a life-changing event or a dramatic breakdown. It was a single line you saw by accident. Your mind is a garden. If you don't plant anything, weeds will grow on their own. You didn't even know why it stopped you. You weren't searching for wisdom. You were just scrolling without purpose, doing what you always did. But that sentence didn't just pass through your mind. It stayed there. You suddenly saw your own thoughts differently. You started to realize nothing about your mind was neutral. You were feeding it every single day, just not with intention. Every reel, every gossip headline, every pointless argument you read online, those were the weeds that had slowly taken over without you noticing. And that night, sitting in the dim light of your room, you didn't make a dramatic resolution or plan some grand transformation. You made a quiet promise to yourself, one no one else even heard. You would learn something every day. Not for a test, not for a certificate, not to impress anyone, just to wake your mind up again. The next morning, instinct guided you to reach for your phone like always, but you stopped yourself. Instead, you picked up a book that had been collecting dust on your shelf for months. You didn't read it all. You didn't even read for long. You read just 10 pages. But strangely, it felt like an achievement. You walked into your day with a different sort of confidence, not loud or boastful, just a quiet awareness that you had already done something for yourself before the world demanded anything from you. At first, you thought you needed hours to learn something meaningful, but soon you realized the real power wasn't in the duration, it was in the consistency. Some days you read a few pages. Other days you listen to something educational while traveling. Sometimes you replaced mindless scrolling with short videos that actually taught you something. Little by little, your curiosity returned. Your brain, which had once felt foggy and restless, began to feel alive again. Weeks passed, and without even trying to be different, you started to think differently. You noticed the words you used began to change. Your reactions weren't as quick or careless. You caught yourself questioning things instead of accepting them blindly. You weren't filling your mind anymore. You were shaping it. And with that came a kind of quiet power you hadn't felt in years. A friend once commented that you always seemed to know something interesting about whatever topic came up. You laughed at first, almost dismissively, because you had never considered yourself that type of person. But in that moment, it dawned on you. This small daily habit had reshaped you without making any noise about it. You stopped thinking of learning as effort and started treating it like nourishment. You noticed how your mind felt heavy and drained when you spent hours consuming nonsense. But when you fed it something meaningful, you felt lighter and clearer. Even on the busiest days, You made sure to learn something, sometimes for 5 minutes, sometimes for 50, but you never skipped it, and that was what mattered. Over time, the changes reached further than you expected. You started speaking more confidently. Conversations flowed with more ease. You didn't fear sounding foolish because your thoughts had more grounding. Decision-making became clearer. Problems that once made you panic now seemed manageable because your mind didn't feel empty anymore. It felt equipped. There was a moment when you stopped feeling behind in life. You no longer compared your journey to someone else's highlight reel. You stopped seeing your time as something to kill and started seeing it as something to invest. Instead of watching other people build lives online, you quietly began building your own. You realized you didn't need perfect English, expensive courses, or a university to educate yourself. You just needed curiosity and consistency. Books, podcasts, articles, documentaries, mentors, conversations, knowledge was woven into all of them. The resources were always there. You had simply been choosing distractions instead. As days turned to weeks and weeks turned to months, something even more powerful happened. Your thoughts began connecting like puzzle pieces. Something you heard in a podcast linked to a paragraph you read the day before, which connected to something someone mentioned in conversation. Your mind stopped feeling like a cluttered attic and started feeling like a map. You no longer looked for random motivation. You were building momentum. One evening, as you sat reflecting, it struck you that intelligence isn't something you wake up with one morning. It's something you build quietly, daily, when no one is watching. Growth doesn't happen in a leap. It happens in inches, consistently walked. Looking back, you no longer recognize the version of yourself who thought life was something that happened to you rather than something shaped by you. All of it began with a decision so small most people would ignore it, to feed your mind intentionally, every day. That one habit, done quietly and without applause, became the turning point in how you think, speak, and live. And when you finally reached the realization you now carry with certainty, it felt both obvious and profound. Your mind is the engine of your future, and the moment you choose to fuel it daily, everything about your life begins to move forward. Slowly at first, then suddenly, all at once.